Sa gospel natin ngayong araw, sabi ni Jesus, "Anyone who does not carry his cross and follow me cannot be my disciple." Ano kaya ang cross na pinabubuhat sa atin ni Jesus? May mga times na we think of ourselves only and are used to what is convenient and comfortable. Pero Jesus may be asking us to move from our comfort zone to the courage zone that will entail being selfless rather than self-centered. And maybe the cross that the gospel is telling us to carry is to be more listening to others that will sacrifice some of our time. Baka there's a person who needs to talk to you because of a problem and for you to listen to him or her. Be the listening ear and the heart that understands. G ka ba?